Today we're here with a dream car of mine, a Gen 1 Audi R8.
This is the 2014 Audi R8, an iconic supercar that's been sitting on my dream list for over a decade. It's powered by a beautiful naturally aspirated V8 engine mounted right here at the rear, pushing out 430 horsepower and sending it to all four wheels through Audi's legendary Quattro system. This car has aged like fine wine. From its aggressive front end to its menacing rear, it still turns heads everywhere it goes. Now, I know opinions vary on this, but I still love the interior of the R8. It's simple, driver focused, and everything is exactly where it needs to be. But what sets this R8 apart is its custom built straight pipe exhaust. This thing sounds absolutely wild. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for my reaction once we hit the road. But first, let's meet the owner.
So standing next to me is the owner of this car, Mark, and when I have someone on the channel, I like to ask them, what is your absolute favourite thing about this car?
Well, we'll go for a drive later and you'll find out what it is.
Oh, I cannot wait. Right, so here we are in the R8. I am so excited. Show me how it goes.
You ready?
Yep. Whoa! Oh my god! Ah! It sounds like an F1 car.
It's crazy. It's crazy,
oh my
isn't
god!
it?
I did not. Whoa! Those downshifts. Oh my god! Careful! Oh my god! And the engine's right behind us. That is just. Absolutely nuts. Oh my word. Whew.
It's crazy.
What a rush. My god, that is insane.
What do you think?
As a passenger, the torque, I mean I was expecting it to be insane, but I wasn't quite expecting that. I don't know how that's going to sound on the audio, but oh my gosh.
The theatrics on this car is honestly just insane. It does not fail to put a smile to our faces.
Oh my god. It's just absolutely nuts. So how did you come about buying this car?
So I actually started with an A35 AMG.
Oh, okay.
Right about the same time me watching you actually. So about 2019.
Oh yeah, so similar to the CLA45s.
Yeah,
about
that
was a similar year to mine.
COVID times.
Yeah, of course.
And then I was out in Harrogate, out with my wife in Harrogate, and then literally accidentally just walked past this Audi R8.
Oh,
they got talking, and they gave me a good positive equity with the A35.
Oh, yeah, because the used car rates were crazy
yeah,
then.
Absolutely bonkers when you couldn't get parts for cars. And they used the money for that, for a deposit for an Audi R8, and here we are.
I can't blame you. I mean, this is not a stock exhaust, is it?
No, it isn't. This is actually full custom made by Full Throttle Performance down in Dunstable. So it's just a straight pipe, no valves. It is
completely opening it up.
Yeah, antisocial. 24/7.
I'll tell you what though, honestly, I don't know how well the audio is going to pick it up. It's never the same as being in it, but God, the power as well. Like,
it's
how
not
much
too bad
horsepower
for
does this car have again?
So stock, it's 423 brake horsepower.
Is this stock?
This I guess it is stock. I've never had any performance mods.
Right. Okay.
But I believe with the exhaust being straight pipe now, it adds about 5%.
Okay. It's the theatrics and also the four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I mean, we're coming out of the village now, so we can hear it again. But oh, careful on the bend. Oh my gosh.
it's the downshift that's just absolutely crazy.
It's so aggressive. They're so fast. Oh my word. And you can really feel the ground. Careful here. And then this is a dual carriageway, so let these cars go for a bit so we can go a bit quicker, give them a bit of time.
If we get a chance later, Adam, I might even show you the launch control.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in an F1 car. My wife would hate this car.
Not a lot of people like this car.
No, if you love cars, you love this car. You either love it or you hate it. Well, coming up here on our left is a little mini tunnel.
We've got a little tunnel away.
Can we please pop the windows down?
We will.
Because I cannot imagine how this is going to sound in the tunnel.
It's going to sound insane. Good thing with these R8s as well is that they rev up to 8,000 RPM.
Wow.
So when you're at the top end, it's literally just screaming.
Are you redlining it pretty much? I wasn't even looking, I was looking straight ahead.
About 6,000, 7,000 RPM.
It's nuts. And those gear shifts are just like, they're so aggressive.
So I'm on manual right now, but if I put it into automatic, the downshift, I'll open the window now.
Yeah, do it now, yeah.
And then the downshift is going to be crazy.
Okay. Oh. God. It's a proper old school supercar noise as well. There's no like crackles or anything. Like the Vantage is just pure aggression.
So this is the tunnel we're talking about?
Yeah, here we go.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm gonna drop it.
Oh my god. Oh, okay, that was quite an experience. Right, we might have to stop and go on Auto Trader so I can go and buy one of these. Oh my word.
Have I convinced you?
Well, I tell you what, if I bought one of these, the first thing I would do is message you and tell you who made the exhaust and go and got it, because this is unreal.
Honestly, that exhaust modification transformed the car.
Oh my word.
And a lot of people say as well, oh, it's a shame you've got an automatic Audi R8. But you know what? You can actually downshift using the gear stick.
There's a big bump here. You can indeed. I'll tell you what though, you have got the S-tronic gearbox.
I do have the
I think a lot of
yep.
people really didn't like the previous.
Yeah.
Cause this is a facelift. The pre-facelift had that clunky semi-automatic thing.
That's correct, yeah. So there was before the facelift there was a manual, and then you've got the R-tronic,
That's
which
right.
I believe is like a semi-automated manual.
Just send it down this road one more time.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I want to see it. Oh, okay. Sorry, it's such a beautiful road. I was thinking we need to send it. Oh dear.
It's crazy, right?
So now we're here in the Vantage. Are you looking forward to a ride?
It is honestly so nice in here. I am looking forward for a quick trip in your lovely
what
car.
I want to do is do some standing revs, because
Go
this
for it.
has a V8 as well, but it sounds very different to yours.
Yeah,
it's a very different experience. So listen to this.
The pops. Oh man. Oh.
So it's going to be a very different driving experience.
There's popcorn in here. What?
Yeah.
Oh, there's popping. Oh man.
It also goes up to 8,000 RPM as well. So.
Oh man.
So yeah.
Very different. Very throaty. Very
different.
deep.
Yeah, you're going to notice a huge difference on the drive. Right, Mark, are you ready to experience the Vantage?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh.
Have to be careful because it's been raining.
Oh.
So it's such a different sound to the R8,
Yeah.
but it's the gear shifts though.
The popping as well when you change gears, it's, oh man, that's nice.
It's that throaty AMG sound.
That's what I miss about the A35. It's the popping and banging.
Yeah, no, I think it's kind of more of a modern supercar noise though. Like I really love the fact the R8 is just like a Formula 1 car, whereas this is just sounds like a wild animal.
This is a classy animal, should I say? Oh, what?
See, this is the thing with these cars. You can be stuck behind someone and going 30 miles an hour and still have fun.
It is. Oh man. Oh, that popping. When I was driving behind you earlier, that's all I could hear, like literally popping and banging. I was like,
I did have it in track mode for a bit. I thought I'll make this drive fun. I could hear you as well every now and then behind me, and now I realise what I could hear having been a passenger in your car. But we'll take this down that fun road.
It's crazy. So you've had a bit of a modification as well, haven't you? With your exhaust.
Well, kind of. So what I've done is I've just removed the OPF filter, which is the EU regulated.
Yeah.
So in 2021, they had to, by law, install the OPF filter, and it just muted the sound a bit. So
do you reckon it would have been popping and banging the same?
It's still, it was popping and banging before, but everything was just a bit muted. And what you're hearing now is the equivalent of how the car sounds stock if it was a 2018 model. So this, compared to yours, which is highly modified, this is actually pretty much stock, believe it or not.
It sounds, honestly, very throaty. Oh, look. Oh. Yeah, that's nice.
It's got a lot of torque as well.
It's a different tone, isn't it? Different tone of a V8. It's...
Yeah, it's so different. Obviously, yours is the engine's behind us, whereas here it's in front. Hopefully, there won't be anyone on this road. I'll tell you what, when I first accelerated it, I did feel the rear end going a little bit. The rear differential kicked in. Which
cool tyres as well.
Oh, that's true actually, yeah, that's pretty silly. I should warm the tyres up. I was just so excited to show you the car. Well, the tyres are probably warmed up now, right? We'll try it here.
Here we go.
Just don't floor it unless you're in a straight line and we'll be fine.
Please don't kill me.
I won't kill you, don't worry.
Oh, man. Oh. The upshifts are crazy.
They're brutal, aren't they? So different to the R8 though. The R8 is like really fast and quick, whereas these, they have a bit of a throat to them.
Yeah. I mean, these are turboed, isn't it? So
that's right, yeah. Tell you what, I'm just going to pop the window a little bit so you can hear the downshift.
Give it slower, man.
Yeah, do it just a little bit.
Oh man. That upshift is crazy.
It is like a gun.
Yeah, it is literally.
Yeah, it is wild, this car. The thing is though, if you just pop it into sport mode, which is, if we close the windows, which is just the normal mode, it's basically comfort. It's just a normal car then. I'm still in manual mode, I put it in automatic as well. It's a pretty comfortable car.
Yeah, and you drive this every day as well, don't you?
Well, yeah, this is the daily. I've got another car on my driveway, but there's no way I'm gonna pass up on this when I see it there. So this car comes with me everywhere, unless I'm going to like the supermarket. Yeah. Because no
dordings. You don't want getting dinged.
Well, it's so wide, it doesn't really fit in car parking spaces. Because in England, if you live in America and you're watching this, in England, our car parking spaces are the size of a car. Yeah. So everyone parks and they can't get out of their cars.
Yeah, it is horrible. Can I just say, by the way, I've been watching you for such a long time before I even had a car.
Really?
And now to be in your channel it's an honour to be in the channel. So thank you for inviting me.
Oh, and, thank you for coming on. I mean, we've been chatting a little bit on and off on Instagram for a while now because I saw your R8 and I just thought it looked nuts. I'm absolutely loving having people on the channel. This is episode 3 of the series. So you're the third person to come on the channel with their car, and it's just been so fun. So if anyone wants to bring their car on the channel, I'll pop on screen right now the details. Drop me an email. I will take any car because I just love cars. You know, I don't care if it's like 20 years old or if it's brand new. If it's cool and quirky, bring it on. We'll have a good laugh, and of course you get a riding advantage as well.
Yes, sir.
Right, so we're coming out of the village now. So let's see. We'll go back into track mode and manual mode because these paddles are really fun. That wasn't 100% throttle because
that upshift.
The roads are a bit wet.
It's like farting, isn't it? Almost the
Yeah,
DSG parts.
It's like the classic kind of old school DSG with a V8 though.
Yeah. Oh man. Oh.
It never gets old playing with the gears. I mean, I pretty much drive this car always in manual mode because you just get so much back.
It's very stable as well. And you've just taken that corner there now. And
the handling is on another level in this car. That was the biggest difference, I think.
Yeah.
When I went from the AMG. Do you like it?
Oh man, I love that. I love that.
I mean, it's all about the gear changes.
Yeah.
Sounds absolutely insane from the outside as well. Oh yeah, we've got the tunnel coming up now.
The tunnel.
Oh, the tunnel sounded absolutely insane in the R8, but it sounds good in the Vantage too. You wait.
Looking forward to this.
Let's get the windows down. Are we going all the way? Let's go
all the way down.
All the way.
We're all the way down. Oh, what?
All the way down.
Here we go.
This is going to be a bit nuts.
Here we go.
I don't know if you noticed there, but traction control came on.
Oh man.
It's a little bit slippy in that tunnel. How was that?
Mate, the upshifts are like... It's like a whip, isn't it? It's literally going bang, bang, bang.
And it's so fun because every time you press the paddles or let go of the accelerator, you don't know what sound you're going to get. It's a different sound every time. Well,
wow.
thank you so much for coming on the channel and sharing your R8. The R8 is absolutely unreal. I'm definitely going to own one of those R8s one day. And hopefully you had a great time in the Vantage.
Thank you for having me on the channel. I'm very honoured to be on the channel. Like years and years of watching you, to being with you now filming is crazy. So yeah, thank you for having me.
It's lovely to hear.
Taking me for a ride as well.
I love having people on the channel, and there's going to be lots more videos like this. So make sure you're subscribed if you haven't, guys, because we're going to be having more viewers and more crazy cars on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.